Hey guys, Ed here, and a couple days ago I bought this 2006 Toyota Avalon at the auction, and it ended up I'm having a little problem with the transmission. The thing is, when I stop sharply, if I go fast and then I stop, I get a big kick, like somebody hits me in the back of the car. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, and today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in Lucas transmission oil fix, and we'll see if it's gonna help or not. I'm gonna drive some time with it, so let's start. So first, let's go. I'm gonna drive, and I'll try to show you what I'm talking about. The car has check engine light on, but it's for a different thing, so it's not for transmission. I already checked. So let's start. We're gonna drive. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's gonna be steadily on the dashboard. So I'm going 20, 30, and I'm stopping. Okay. Hope you guys felt it. Let's go next block. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Okay, this was like okay. I'm gonna stop now. Okay, I guess you felt that. Okay, let's go again. Okay, let's stop. Bump. Let's go again. Okay, we're gonna stop now. Wow. Let's do this again. So, I hope you guys felt it. You know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna try to film it this way now. So every time when I stop, I get a huge kick in the back. Let's try it now. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna go make a left. Let's go again. And I'm stopping. Now let's put it on the side. Okay, so every single time I'm getting a huge kick, huge. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna park and put some Lucas transmission oil fix in it. I don't know if it's gonna work, we'll see. Like it works, never works for me. So let's try to do this. So let's pop the hood. Okay, we have a transmission dipstick right here. Okay, let's open it, and it's black. As you can see, it's black and dirty. So I even took a receipt to make a mark. very black and dirty. So okay, let's try this thing on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this cover off with my teeth. I'm gonna cut piece off here, and then I'm gonna pour the whole bottle into the dipstick. So let's start. Alright, so I took off the cover. Actually I beat it off. So I'll unscrew this thing. Put it over here. Take this off. Okay, and put this here for now. Put back cover and stick this in. Okay, and I'm gonna put the whole bottle in it. To make sure it's gonna go faster, I'm gonna make a hole here, and it's gonna go faster. Alright, so I made a hole in the bottle. Now it has a nice flow, and we'll wait till the car's gonna be working, and I'll wait till the whole bottle goes in, and we'll go for a ride from there and see if it helps or not. Okay guys, so I got the whole bottle empty. Now I'm just gonna close, put the dipstick back in, and we're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna drive it today all day. Well, we'll see. Maybe I'll put some nice miles on it, and we'll see if it's gonna help or not. Okay, so let's go. And before I move out, I wanna, like, the mileage is 152,375. Okay, so let's start driving this thing, and hopefully it's gonna fix it. Hey guys, so it's the second day. I drove the car for, what is this, 52 miles, and so let's see how it worked. I'm gonna put it in drive, and we go. Nothing. Nothing. Wow, this is cool. Stopping now? No, not yet. And I'm gonna stop now. So guys, it worked. It worked. I didn't have a single hit in the last 3 stops, and I was driving my wife to work this morning, and everything was perfect. Okay, so it actually helped this time. Guys, I'm not getting paid by Lucas or this company or whoever. I'm not getting paid for this video. I do have other videos where Lucas doesn't work. If you want, you can check those out. But in this case, it worked out, and I'm pretty pleased. So it's your choice to decide if you want to use it or not. One thing is, if you have a CVT transmission, you don't use it, okay, because it's not gonna work 100%. It's a different thing. So guys, as you can see, it worked, and give it a shot. I mean, it's up to you, give it a shot or not, of course, but you see, in this case it worked. Last time I had the Ford Expedition, it did the same almost thing. When I was stopping, it always had a hit in the back, and it didn't help. Today, with this car, it actually helped. Well, we saw the oil was black, okay, oil was pretty bad, so I believe it renewed the oil somehow, and I drove 52 miles and it looks like it was enough for it. So guys, I hope this helps, and you can decide yourself. Alright, let's do some more driving. Alright, I'm stopping here. Let's go. Hits, nothing. Beautiful, guys. And before you use it, make sure your car actually can take this additive to your transmission, because I think, I'm not sure, but I know 100% you can't use it with CVT transmission, but I'm not sure about German cars. Okay, so German cars, there should be specific fluid for, and once you break the velocity of the particular fluid your transmission needs, you might damage it. So it should work with American cars, Japanese cars, Korean cars, but German cars I wouldn't do it. Still, you might try it. I don't know. It's up to you. But you see, this is my luck today, and this today worked. So have a great day.